am going to talk about 2 reasons why you don't need to prefill your oil filter. 2 good reasons why you don't need to prefill your oil filter. The first one is if your oil filter is a very small filter, very small oil filter, needless of you to prefill it. Why? Because it will take only 1 or 2 seconds before your oil pump will fill the filter before it will get to your engine. So definitely, during those few seconds, it will not cause any damage to your engine. So it takes only a few seconds before this oil filter fill up, so it will not cause any damage to your engine. So if your car is a small, it has a small filter, you can decide not to prefill it before you fix it right into your car. Instead of that, what you have to do? What you have to do is to put oil on the seal of the filter. That is enough for you. Remember, it takes only a few seconds before the oil filter will fill up by your oil pump. So the interval between when your bearings and your shaft will receive oil is very short. Like within 2 seconds, the filter has filled up and they have started receiving oil. So it will not cause any damage to them. That is the #1 reason why you don't need to refill your oil filter if the oil filter is tiny. What is #2? #2 is if your oil filter is horizontal. If it is horizontal, you don't need to prefill it. Remember, when it is horizontal and you are trying to fill it up, the oil will spill the ground. The oil will waste. So if your oil filter is horizontal in nature, then needless of you filling it up. But if it is vertical, then you must fill it up. So if your oil filter is horizontal, you have to fill it. You don't need to fill or prefill it before you fix it into your engine. All you need to do is what you did the first time. Just put oil around the oil pump, the oil filter seal. Then you are good to go. Don't forget the 2 reasons why you don't need to prefill your oil filter. In my last video, I mentioned why you need to prefill your oil filter. But in this video, I'm mentioning 2 reasons why you don't need to refill your oil filter. The first one is if your oil filter is a small one. If your oil filter is a small one, but if your oil filter is big, then you need to prefill it because it will take some minutes before your oil pump can fill it up for you. But if it's small one, then you can go ahead to fix it without prefilling it. Then the second one is that if your oil filter is horizontal, you can see it on the screen. If it's horizontal, it comes this way, not this way. If it is this way, it's vertical. Like this is horizontal. If it is horizontal like this, and you don't need to prefill it. If you prefill it, you just spill the ground. So because of that, you don't need to prefill your oil filter. Hope you have learned something for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to watch the previous one I've dropped that has to do with oil. If you can follow this prompt, then you are good to go with your oil and with your engine, and your engine will work for you for a very long time. Thank you for watching me. It's me, Mr. Engine. See you in my next video. Thank you.